guys, it's Katie with Salty Pearl Crochet, and today I am going to show you how to crochet the moss stitch, like this wonderful dishcloth I have here. Now the moss stitch is made all of single crochet and chains, and it is also known as the linen stitch and the granite stitch. I really like the texture of this stitch, and I hope you'll love it as much as I do. Let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is make a chain, and that chain should have an odd number plus one extra stitch plus one extra turning chain, so basically an odd number. I'm going to get started with a chain of 13. Now that I have a chain of 13, I am going to skip the first chain and single crochet into the back bump of every chain across the row, and that is going to give me an even number of stitches. If you want to make a dishcloth like the one I've got, I will make sure to link that pattern in the description for you. All right, now that we're at the end of our row of single crochet, this is just going to give us a nicer foundation. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, an even number of stitches, and we're ready to start the moss stitch. We'll chain 1 and turn our work and single crochet into the first stitch. After that, we chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and single crochet into the second stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. I'll turn so you can see the tops of the stitches too. We're going to chain 1, skip this stitch, and single crochet into the second stitch. We are going to have 1 stitch left over at the end of our row and single crochet into that. This is going to give us a little bit stronger edge with a single crochet. So we are going to chain 1, turn, and continue with the same pattern. Single crochet into the first stitch, chain 1, skip the single crochet, and single crochet into this chain here. Now you do want to be careful that you don't accidentally grab that loop. I've done that sometimes, especially if I'm working a little tighter tension. Chain 1, skip your single crochet, insert your hook into the chain and single crochet there. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. Chain 1, skip your stitch, and single crochet into the chain. Again, you'll have 1 single crochet left over at the end, and you will single crochet in there. Turn and repeat your pattern. Single crochet into the first stitch, chain 1, skip, single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. I can really relax into this stitch. After a while, it starts to feel really soothing. I'll do 1 more row so that you can see a little bit bigger swatch. There you have it. I hope you guys like this stitch, and once again, here is my dishcloth pattern. I will link this pattern in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more stitch tutorials like this.